reacting to the Johnny Depp Amber Heard court case. Hey guys, how's it going? Dude here, I'm back with another video. Now today we're going to be reacting to some of the absolute blunders and memes from the Johnny Depp Amber Heard court case. Amber Heard has two of the most incompetent, moronic lawyers I think I've ever seen, and they have been entertaining millions across the world for the last few weeks. But what is it all about? Well, according to Sky News, Johnny Depp is suing his ex-wife Amber Heard for libel in the US state of Virginia over an article she wrote for the Washington Post in 2018. The court is also hearing from friends, family members and staff who worked with and spent time with the former couple during the 6-week hearing. Okay, now we all get it. Let's go over to the reaction studio and let's take a look at this shit show. Okay, this is 5 minutes of Amber Heard's lawyers failing hard. Johnny in tears, laughing. I've got this video and this channel linked down below. Go and check them out. Please, please, please subscribe, all that good stuff. Okay, let's have a look.
Lawyer 101.
Never ask a question if you don't already know the answer.
That news that he was given that night was catastrophic, wasn't it?
No.
And Mr. Depp was trying to urinate in the foyer, wasn't he?
I can't believe Amber Heard shit in his bed.
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his pants, didn't he?
The desperation in the dude's voice, do you know what I mean? But he had his willy out, please. He had his penis out. You must have seen his winky, you know, please. He pissed everywhere. Tell me I'm right. This dude is fucking awful.
Relevance.
I'll next question.
And you were trying to get Mr. Depp out of the house, correct?
Correct, I was trying to get Mr. Depp out of the house, yes.
And Mr. Depp was refusing to leave the house, was he not?
Not so much refused, he just wanted 2 minutes to say his piece.
You took Mr. Depp's arm to try to move him out, but he broke away, isn't that right?
Yes.
I feel like, and I might be, you know, too early on this, I feel like Johnny Depp is going to win. I think Amber Heard is going to lose. I don't think anyone's going to lose harder than Amber Heard's lawyers, because I just cannot see them getting work after this trial, because they have been awful.
I mean, so he was strong enough to break away from your grip, correct?
No.
So, you had his arm and he broke away, though, correct?
No.
No.
Isn't that what you just said?
No, I let him go.
Just trying to push a narrative that just fails constantly. Amber Heard must be thinking, like, you guys are supposed to be the best in the business. I'm paying you so much money, and you are making us look like fucking idiots.
And Mr. Depp's also provided you gifts, correct?
Gifts?
Gifts. Money, gift.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Yes, Johnny's gave me gifts, I've given Johnny gifts.
And he's given you gifts over $8,500, correct?
$8,500.
Very niche. Very specific.
He gave me a lot more than that.
Okay. And you're loyal to Mr. Depp, right?
Yes, of course I'm loyal to Mr. Depp. I'd be loyal to you if I was working for you.
Okay.
What changes, if any, have you noticed in his behavior when he's under the influence?
He's got a very high tolerance for any substance, Johnny, you know, I would say so, you know. I think Jack Sparrow's more drunk than Johnny Depp, to be honest.
Nice.
Can we play Exhibit 380A, which is...
Heard's lawyers messing up evidence by referring it as defendants when it's plaintiffs. They don't even know their own terminology.
already in evidence.
Plaintiffs or defendants, I'm sorry.
It's defendants, Exhibit 380A.
It's 380A.
What is this? Sorry, what is this?
The judge.
And this is a recording from Australia, and it's just of Mr. Depp.
I don't think that's in evidence, Your Honor.
Hold on, it's not in evidence.
Our plaintiffs, Exhibit 380A.
I don't believe there are any recordings from Australia in evidence, Your Honor.
I don't have anything in evidence.
Look at, I mean, you can't actually see her because I'm in the way. Look at that face. Look, hang on, what am I going to be looking at? Over here. Look at that face. I'm staring at my wall right now, but you look. That is the face of a defeated woman. Oh wait, sorry. Look, I'm over the Justice for Johnny hashtag. Maybe I'll go. I'll go down here. I'll go. Hi guys, I'm down here now.
There definitely is. It's just of Mr. Depp. We can.
I don't have 380 in evidence.
It's 380A.
380.
What a fuck. Are these public defenders? Like,
I have, Jamie says it was ID'd, but never
not public
admitted.
defenders, excuse me.
You agree that if you did not find something that would be in favor of Mr. Depp and negative to Ms. Heard, that you wouldn't be an expert in this case? Essentially, bring you into court if you're going to say.
Don't worry about letting her answer. Just ask a question, then as she begins to answer, just talk over her.
Ms. Heard is right and Mr. Depp is wrong, correct?
So, as a forensic psychologist, my obligation is to the court, is to the fact finder. I present science regardless of what that science may be. Now, when I take a case...
Translation, I present the fact and truth, and regardless of you not liking that, it's still the truth.
My retainer agreement is explicit about that, and I
Dr.
discussed
Craig,
that with the attorneys.
I'm asking you a question. I'd like you to try to answer.
Okay.
Stop, please. You're killing my
career.
career.
You understand that if you found favorably to Ms. Heard and negatively to Mr. Depp, you wouldn't be here, right? You wouldn't be testifying.
Of course she would.
No, okay, sorry, hold on. The objection is speculation.
That's not speculation.
No, I'll sustain the objection if you want to ask.
You are speculating that should she be in favour of Amber Heard rather than Johnny Depp, she wouldn't be there testifying because she prefers Johnny Depp or whatever. That is entirely speculation. Fuck me. Like, I haven't done law at any point, and I know what fucking speculation is.
Okay.
Defeated. I should get paid to beat these clowns. This is madness.
It goes to bias, Your Honor.
I sustain the objection.
Goes to bias? No, you're speculating that there's a bias there. You didn't even... She wasn't even allowed to finish because you were speculating. No. Time to get the fuck out. Bonus clip. Amber being referred to as a door.
And what do you interpret that swelling to be?
What do I interpret it as? That's either he's walked into a door or a door's walked into him.
Okay.
Yeah, go check out the channel, guys. Uster Green. Okay, I'm going to go for this one from Iced Coffee. Johnny Depp, funniest court moments, no editing, original audio. Sounds good. Let's take a browse.
And Mr. Depp was trying to urinate in the foyer, wasn't he?
Back to the PP.
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his pants.
Objection.
Didn't he?
Objection, speculation, Your Honour. He's speculating that his PP was unzipped and out of his pants.
I think I would remember
Relevance.
seeing Mr. Depp's penis.
I'll allow.
I think I would remember seeing Mr. Depp's peen. I mean, I think anyone would remember seeing Johnny Depp's penis.
How about that?
Lawyer didn't bring evidence for an argument is the context. These lawyers, I tell you what, I think they're going to be free after this case. So if you need, you know, lawyers, go to these because they're going to have an open slot for you, I think.
Oh, joy. Okay. All right, three, somebody's... We're going to go with claimants 380 right now, okay? Try to keep the record clear.
I bet he can't believe his luck, man. Like, coming up against these absolute morons.
But you texted Paul Bettany, correct?
Again.
Okay. So
I've just finished WandaVision in preparation for Doctor Strange 2. So Paul Bettany, Vision, being pulled into the Johnny Depp court case.
the boss, you were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there?
Speculation, Your Honour.
The very ugly situation with Amber. So
Mr.
I
Depp,
doubled
with
up
respect,
the,
trying to respect the court's time and the jury's time, that was not my question. My question was
I
simply,
understand. When
you
you
would
take
agree,
5 minutes to look for a
you would agree
document.
that
First of all, Johnny loved the glasses, has to be said, but he's coming out swinging.
sometimes drink whiskey in the mornings too, right?
Isn't happy hour anytime?
Oh, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Let's go.
You can't say that you carried cocaine in that box.
No, but it looks like it would fit some cocaine. I once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would stop talking so much.
What a life. I gave Marilyn Manson a pill so he'd stop talking so much.
Did I read that right?
You did.
Did I read that correctly?
You did.
You did.
Did I read that right?
Yes, you did.
Did I read that right?
You continue to read them right, yes.
And right after you cut your finger off, or right after, I won't give you anything to argue with me yet. Right after you sustained an injury to your
Right after Amber Heard threw something at him which led to him losing his finger. Yes, that. Yeah.
finger.
I won't give you anything for you to argue with me yet. Fucking hell. This guy's a lawyer, right? I bet he loses every argument he has with his partner. And this guy is literally trained to argue.
Right after you sustained an injury to your finger.
Bless you.
Polite, lovely,
You poured yourself
courteous, considerate.
a mega pint of red wine, correct?
I've heard about this mega pint thing. What the fuck?
A mega pint.
A mega pint? Sorry? A mega pint? What the fuck is a mega pint?
We're going to fast forward in time.
A mega pint? Oh dear, oh dear.
A little bit, Mr. Depp.
Yes, I can feel it.
I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury. I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury.
Sorry, could you read that again?
Oh dear. Oh, I just want to watch this one. Is this about... Oh, this is the muffins. I saw this live. I was watching it live. Again, Astral... I guess that's Astrals, and they put the X instead of... Again, all these videos, all these original creators of these montages will be down below. Please go check them out. All that good stuff. Right, I believe this is the muffin thing, which is so stupid. Johnny Depp psychologist annoyed for 2 minutes. Here we go.
You were, in fact, so excited about being involved in this case that you told your husband, even though this was a highly confidential matter, that you were going to be conducting the examination of Ms. Heard, didn't you?
That is not accurate.
You not only told your husband, but you told Ms. Heard that you told your husband, correct?
Ms. Bredehoff, that is not accurate.
What is accurate?
You're incorrect. That is not correct.
Is your testimony today under oath that you did not tell your husband that you were going to be conducting the examination of Amber?
That is my testimony.
Okay.
You're wrong, bitch.
So the question that was asked...
Hey, I shouldn't have called her. I'm sorry. That was out of line. I retract my statement, Your Honor.
Was because you brought muffins, you said, from your husband, right? You gave those to Ms. Heard, correct?
May I clarify what occurred so that we can stop talking about the muffins?
Please do clarify, although I am partial to a muffin, so I'm not against the conversation continuing down this muffin path, but I think in the interest of the case, the muffins should be cleared up so we can proceed.
What happened was that I was getting ready that morning. I frequently bring muffins to the office. My husband did happen to know that there was going to be a celebrity client coming in because on the mornings that occurs, which often occurs, we have to actually clear the office and move the staff to the other office. So yeah.
Just want to appreciate that flex. It often occurs. Alright? There's often a celebrity in this lady's office.
Yes. On the one hand, he was aware of that. I was getting ready. I asked him to go to the bakery near our house and pick up the muffins for me because I was running late. He often has to do that because I often do run late. He brought the muffins back to the house. I brought them into the office. Ms. Heard and I enjoyed the muffins together. I think I made a comment to her along the lines like, we can thank my husband. My husband got these for us today, meaning he purchased the muffins. We are now enjoying them because of him.
Did you say in the pages...
So, husband just did a solid. Helped his wife out who's running a bit behind. Purchased some muffins. She says, we can thank my husband for these beautiful muffins. Case closed, Your Honour.
305 and 306 that you frequently have examinations of high-profile clients? You want to just take a quick look and tell us?
What, 305, 306?
Yeah, that's where we're talking about it.
Is there a...
Don't be a CUNT. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Just because you're fucking losing this case by a landslide because you are so fucking incompetent it hurts, don't start getting mouthy.
Line you'd like me to look at?
You can start with 15, line 15, 305. Just read through that and tell me whether you said anywhere in there that you have a lot of high-profile examinations. You do this frequently. I don't agree.
Won't you approach, please?
Why did your husband get the muffins for Amber Heard?
She just explained that. This is, if I was ever in court, I'd be fucked, because I get so fucking wound up by these people. She just explained why the husband got the muffins.
Did not get the muffins for Amber Heard.
He knew you had a high-profile client, and he was...
Because they always clear the office out when this happens. So because the office is being cleared out, she's running behind, he goes and gets muffins, what she often gets for the office anyway, because he knew this information of the office is being cleared out, therefore that means there is a high-profile guest or whatever the fuck client. It's fucking 2 + 2 = 4. It's not that fucking complicated.
And you were preparing for a very long time, and you asked him to pick up the muffins, correct?
I asked him to pick up the muffins for me, yes.
Okay.
Oh, do you know what? Can you tell I've been watching Team Samurai X1? Bit of Master Duel. Love this dude. Anyway, that's besides the point, isn't it? We're here. Let me just enlarge. We're going to talk about Amber Heard and the Johnny Depp case. I've been following it, and just the memes and stuff that's come out of it is insane. And the way that the trial has been conducted, I mean, it's very eye-opening for sure. I personally think that Johnny Depp's going to win. What do you guys think down below? Please do let me know. I just wanted to react to some of these lawyer cock-ups because they've just been entertaining me for the last few weeks, and so I thought, do you know what? Let's watch a few together. I think that would be fun. So, yeah, thank you so much, guys. I've been trying to mix up my content a little bit because it's felt stale to me personally, and so I feel like, you know, if I'm enjoying it, then hopefully that'll come across the other side of this camera. So, yeah, let me know down below what you think about, you know, this kind of content and stuff, and the reactionary stuff, and maybe the more long format content. You know, I've thought about maybe doing a video where I'm more like a box in the corner and I'm looking through articles around a murder, as opposed to, you know, in my studio just, you know, telling you all of this information. So yeah, just give us some feedback down below. I'd really appreciate it. But subscribe, like, share, get me to 100k. I'm so close. I'm so close. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you at home, and I'll speak with you very soon. Sweet one, guys.